Okay, here are all the kitties. This one, this is a very cute one. He's black, like gray and white stripes. Yeah. Ooh, this is a really big one. Let's see. Second kitty. You can see kind of his face. It's kind of cute. Okay, here's another kitty. Another black and white one. Oh, here's, I think I may have showed this one already. There we go, these two black. See, they're black with a white striped pattern. Oh. But they're the same age, but see, you can tell there's a difference in size. Smaller, fatter. Where's the other one? This is the itty bitty baby one. This one's cute. Look how small this one is. She's very cute kitten. She's a very full tummy. This is 8. Oop.